Hi, welcome to my studio. I'm Terry Meyer, and today we're going to paint the Cheshire Cat out of Alice in Wonderland. It's going to be a watercolor, it's going to be fun, it's going to be quick. I'm painting this real time in about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm just going to go over the supplies with you so you know what I'm using. I'm using Arches watercolor block, a 12 by 16 cold press. I'm using transparent watercolors. And I'm using red, yellow, and blue, and I'm using a warm and cool in each of the categories. So Scarlet Pyrrol is a warm red, Quinacridone Red is a cool red, Quinacridone Gold is a warm yellow, transparent yellow is a cool yellow, manganese blue is a warm yellow, and phthlo blue is a cool yellow. Cool blue, sorry. Now, you're going to need a palette to put your paints in, and I'm just using this little transportable one, and I can change the colors out, so I like to use this on location painting as well, so you don't need anything huge. These run only about $3 last time I checked. And then you're going to need some brushes. I use different brushes all the time, so for this painting today, I'm using Artmaster Series 2000 1/4 inch. I'm using Artmaster Series 2100. It's a round number 10. I'm using Isabey 6234 number 4, and I'm using something that I really don't know how to pronounce. It's Dainayw, Dainayw, maybe, I'm not sure, number 2. And I'll just have on the screen the actual information about these brushes if you're interested. Okay, another thing that you'll need is some paper towel or an old t-shirt or something, and then a spray bottle if you want to keep your palette wet, a container of water, and then a hair dryer is not necessary, but if you want to dry it faster in between layering, you can use that. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera angle so it's shooting downward so you can watch me work, and that's all I have for now, so I'll see you back at the table. The watercolor paper. And then I'm just going to drop in some light color. So first color that I'm using is Quinacridone Gold. The next color that I'm using is transparent yellow. It's a little cooler, little lighter than the other yellow that I used. And now I'm going to use Quinacridone Red, and I'm just going to Put a little bit of pink into the ears. And I'm just going to bring that down into the face a little bit. Now I know it looks really bright at this point, but it's amazing how it dulls down once it dries. So don't get intimidated by that. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Scarlet Pyrrol, once again in the ear. This is a warmer red. The ears usually have a lot of vibrancy in them in cats because the skin is thinner than the rest and there's not as much fur. And the nose is on the warm side, so I'm going to drop in again a little bit of that Pyrrol. And I'm going to drop in a little bit of red back in here. I really haven't thought about the background, but I think I'm going to go with a dark blue background. So I'm going to use the phthalo blue. It's a very intense color.